Alright, so for this type of beats, first step is to make it around 200 BPM. Next, I'm gonna use Arena Ambience piano. What am I doing? And next thing is to make a dark, repetitive thing. Something like that, and I'm gonna just duplicate that. Have a 4-bar loop. Just try to make it sound dark by keeping the notes close to each other. Next thing, we're gonna use a bass that sounds like this. Let's see what we can do. Just treat it like a normal 808. Alright, next thing I'm gonna add some bells and okay, so let's add some hi-hats. What am I doing, man? Okay, as for the rolls, we're gonna use 16th triplets. And we can just duplicate that. What did I just do? Okay, for the snare we're gonna use a sharp short one, and for the kick I'm just gonna drag the bass line. Sounds fine. As for the perk, the one I hear a lot is this one, and we can use an open hat, something else. So I'm just gonna use impact for this. So you can have this Moog bass, but you can also use an 808 as well for later on. So we can just copy that here. So yeah, I'm just gonna duplicate that, and what I'm gonna do, just gonna keep that. And yeah, that's basically it. And as for mixing, of course you should do your EQ and stuff, but I think I hear a lot of wobble here, so I'm just gonna do that for the piano. But don't detune that too much, so it fits with the rest of the stuff. Okay. So basically any Detroit drum kit will have those similar sounds. So yeah, that's basically it, and I'm gonna see you soon. Cheers.